Can't believe it's October 25 already. That means it's time to take a look at the current market data, including inventory, days on market, and sales price in those three coastal cities, Newport Beach, Newport Coast, and Corona del Mar, single family, of course, so that we can see what the trends are telling us for the balance of the year.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
Helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. Right, let's dive in. Juicy data ahead. New listings, that's the lifeblood of any market. So that's why we like to see what is flowing in to the marketplace. Last month, you saw it was 60 new listings, single family, coming into those three cities. What was it for last month? Well, it was 70. So we had a little bump right there, about 15% if you do the numbers. So that is good news and an unusual time of the year to be doing that. But thank God we've got a little bit more inventory coming into our market. Before we look at actual closings, it's always good to see what is transacting, meaning going under contract or pending. Well, last month it was 35. Did it jump up? Well, funny enough, it did. 39 going under contract in some way, shape or form. As a result of what? Inventory being a little higher, but also prices coming down just that touch. And we'll see for the next belt of data if that's true. Sales, were they up or down? 52 last month, jumping to 56 for the month of September. That's the actual closing. So a little bit more activity. Remember, this is the activity from 35 to 45 days ago, transacting into actual closings today. Days on market though, 45, and I cheated, I looked at the numbers. Last month it was 67 days, so that's jumping almost 12 days, no, 22 days if my math is correct, for the days on market, so a little over 2 months. Now, why is that? Well, home goes on the market, priced at X, after a while it's not selling, so they reduce the price, and that means it finally gets sold. So it means it's going to be a little more time on the market. That's days on market. Active listings, August 319, dropping last month to about 313. And that's indicative of those homes coming off the market and of course the increase in sales that we saw for the month of September. Average list price last month about 6.344. Did it go up or down? Well, guess what? For a long time it's gone down slightly, around 6.2 million, the average list price of the inventory out there. That is still a big number if you're having to finance it, come up with the down. Now, year over year is interesting because a year ago it was close to 8 million. So it's come off those numbers about 1.8 million. That's a good sign. It means those listings are coming on at the lower price ranges, and that's what we need. Average sales, well, guess what? I'm letting the cat out of the bag. 5.2, it jumped up to 5.6 last month. So wee bit of an increase in terms of the actual sales price, but still the delta close to $1 million between what's listed average and what is selling average price. The real estate market, it is constantly changing. So click on the video that's on your screen right now so I can keep you up to date with all those factors like inventory, sales price, those factors affecting you in the real estate market. We'll see you on the next one. The Room.